Good morning. Day 77. Starting out rainy. It's going to continue rainy. I am at the 0-day stay hostel, just a couple of blocks from Penmar Park on the border of, as you might imagine, Pennsylvania and Maryland. So I'm going to try to shoehorn a hike. I'm going to get the radar and I'm going to try to shoehorn a hike in here that at least keeps me away from thunderstorms. So I'm looking at the hourly radar, really the 10-minute radar, and where the shelters are in I'm going to see if I can make this work, but I'm going to get wet, no doubt. It's 8 o'clock. I caught a break in the rain. The hostel's at the end of the block here on the corner. And this is Penmar Park. And the rain will be back. I'm quite certain of it. Maybe a heavy line coming through. I hope to be at a shelter in 5 miles before any significant weather comes through. I can hunker down, and I think there's shelters. I think I'm going to pass 3 shelters today and end up at the least at Caledonia Park. I think that's about 18 miles, and I'm meeting somebody there, and I may move on a couple miles, 2 or 3 miles after that, to a shelter. So we'll just see how this day unfolds. So I'm about to cross into Pennsylvania. Wow, another state. This sign is most decidedly wrong, I think. Always good to have a pavilion with a view. Ooh, look, overlook. Some nice Pennsylvania countryside. See you later, Penmar Park. Back on the trail. And I'm going to put this phone away for a while because the rain is coming. But don't worry, I'll pull it out again at some point. The trail has changed character quite a bit. Not big ups and downs, and the corridor is pretty narrow. A lot more kind of residential areas like this. You pop out and you see them and you go back into the woods. And so, yeah, a bit different than what I'm used to. But it's all good. Oh, the creeks are all flowing strong. Thank you, bridge, or whoever built it and paid for it and such. Stop for a 10 o'clock snack at the Deer Lick shelters. There's 2 of them, 2 small ones, so 1 big one together. It's kind of cool. Also, it feels like there's some weather moving in, so I'll see if I can pull up the radar, and if I have to, I'll wait it out here. Woo! Thank you, bridge. Wow. These Pennsylvania shelters just keep getting better. You got your non-snoring shelter, and you got your snoring shelter. What if you don't know if you snore? What if you snore sometimes? I guess other people will tell you. And check this out. Tumbling Run. It's a pavilion. Clothesline. All nice and rocked in. And a rose. Sweet. Just grabbing a shot between showers. Wow. Caledonia State Park. This river is a bit out of its banks. I just met Marty back at Caledonia State Park. Marty's a trail angel, and he's a subscriber, and he brought me hot drinks, a Subway sandwich, and his wife made some homemade pumpkin pie. So I have been well fed, and I meant to get a picture with Marty, but I'll have another chance tomorrow because he lives in the northerly direction. So I'm going to meet him at a road crossing tomorrow, and we're going to have some lunch. So I'll get a picture then. Thank you, Marty, and I really appreciate it. And I'm trying to get up this hill before the next round of rain moves in. Trying to get to the shelter. Quarry Gap Shelter. This place is just impossibly cute. It's got pansies, like live ones. It's got a little creek going through. There's a swing. It's got a gnome. Some tent pads. There's the privy. Wow. Wrapping up day 77. I'm at this impossibly cute lean-to here. 20.5 miles from Penmar Park, Quarry Gap Shelter. I'm going to stay right there. Today was rainy, lots of rain. It's going to be even worse tomorrow and colder, so it's going to be an interesting day then.